Imagine this. You're desperate for a peaceful night's sleep, but the sound of snoring fills the room like a chainsaw. Frustrating, right? Well, what if I told you that silence is just one simple solution away? Meet the Brison Anti-Snoring Chin Strap. It gently holds your jaw in place, tackling snoring right at the source. No more waking up with a dry mouth or sore throat. It's soft, comfortable, and fully adjustable, fitting like a dream. Thousands have found their answer with this strap, and now you can too. With Brison, the magic of silence is not just a dream, it's your new reality. Breathe better, sleep deeper, and wake up happier.